Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first. What's up, Cryptoblades warriors? Welcome back to my channel. JaysonB channel here to serve you and give you some tips and tricks. Do you want to save on your gas fee when you level up? I have something to teach you so you can save a gas fee when you level up your character. The good thing to do when you level up your character is to claim XP every 10 levels so you can save a gas fee. Because when you level up, you will always pay a gas fee every time. I found an XP guide here, follow it so you can save every level up on the gas fee. Shout out who did this XP guide. I salute you, brother. I will put in the description of this XP guide for you to download. Watch what I did, how I leveled up my characters. I only used 48.02 pesos. Level 13 and level 14 immediately my characters for 48 pesos. The great savings then. If you do it like this, when you level up, you will save a lot. See also here in my next level up, it's Seiren XP guide from 499 XP there that will level up again. If you look at my character's XP is enough for the next level up. Here I used 48.07 pesos to become my level 23 and level 24 characters. The total I spent from level 1 to level 24 was only 96.09 pesos. If this is how you do it, you will save a lot on the gas fee. I hope this video tutorials helped you. If you want this video content, subscribe to my channel. Just click the bell also that when I have a new video, you will be notified.
To change your